Ready to ditch the deal chaos and supercharge your sales process? Let's jump straight into Zoho CRM and learn how to convert those promising deals into professional, client-ready quotes, transforming your sales game in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the Deals module and select the deal you're ready to convert. This is usually a deal that has progressed to the qualification or proposal stage. Locate the Convert to button at the top right corner of the deal record. Click Convert to and select Quote from the drop-down menu. This action will initiate the quote creation process, pre-populating it with the relevant deal information. You'll now be directed to the quote creation page here. Review and, if necessary, edit the pre-filled information, such as the potential customer, billing and shipping addresses, and any other relevant details. Scroll down to the Product Details section. Add the specific products or services that you're quoting for. You can adjust the quantity, price, and discount as needed. Once you've verified all the information is accurate and complete, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Congratulations, you've successfully converted your deal into a quote. From here, you can send the quote directly to your client, track its progress, and ultimately, close the deal faster.